How to see send follow request on Instagram. Follow this guide. Initially start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Once you are in, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. From your profile page, look up at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. In the menu that appears, click on Account Center. Now select your information and permission. Next, choose Download your information. After that, tap on Download or Transfer information to move forward. Here, choose some of your information. Furthermore, find the Connection section. Then make sure to select All so you can view all of your follow requests. Once you have done that, hit Next. Furthermore, select Download to device. You will be now asked to pick a date range for the data you want. Then hit Save. Afterward, choose the email address and select HTML as your preferred format. Now click on Create File. Now wait for 10 to 15 minutes for the file to be ready. Once your file is ready, hit Download, then you will find a full list of follow requests you have sent. That's it. You now know how to see your send follow request on Instagram.